Hi, friends. I want to talk to you about some of the most powerful stuff you're using and you don't even realize it. Intentions. Do you know that you get hungry, you intend to do something, and you do it? You either make it or you go somewhere or whatever you do. There's an intention behind almost anything you have in your life. And it's usually done unconsciously, and no one ever taught you how to use it. But are you in a relationship? You intended to be in that relationship, right? You were drawn to it. You wanted it, right? If you got married, you wanted it. If you moved somewhere, you wanted it. You went looking for it. You intended. Let's put this powerful intention to work. Intentionally use your intention. Get it real clear. Recognize that if I want something, I start with this intention. So clarify it as clean and neatly as you can. Tell the universe what you want and put it out there. Write it or just say it or put it in your mind. Let's start intending our way into whatever we choose. Namaste.